Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand pointers and strings in C. The concepts of strings has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So let's try to understand the concept of pointers and strings with this example. In this example, we have created a character array in the sense it is a string. Okay, so a character array has been created, and in that string we are given learning, and the second character array C1, in that we have given it as monkey, and the next one is character string pointer. So this is a pointer P which is pointing to a string. So which is pointing to a character. So this is a pointer string, and another pointer string which is assigned with the address of C1. So what is the differentiation among these declarations that we will try to understand. And in this line we are going to modify C of 3 is equal to H. C of 3 means it is 0, 1, 2, 3. In the place of R, we are going to modify, we are going to change this to capital H. R will get changed to capital H, and the next one is Q of 3 is equal to H. Q of 3, Q is pointing to C1. This Q is pointing to C1 means starting address of C1, and 3 means in the place of K we are going to print capital H. We are going to modify that to capital H. So what about this star P? Star P is a string pointer which is same as that of character array, which is same as that of a string, but the difference is we can access the values that are stored in a string pointer, but we cannot modify the values. So what happens here is C is equal to this array will get created, in that we are going to have, so it is going to be like this, and in this last one is new line, and similarly C1 is equal to, this is going to create monkey, and last one is going to new line, and this is a character pointer, in the sense it is going to point to this string. Similarly this P will point to this string, the starting address of the string, which is consisting of welcome. Okay, so now this character string pointer we can access these values, but we cannot modify. For example, in the place of C, if you want to change it to capital H, it is not possible. So that is the difference. Both are same with respect to accessing the values of the arrays, values of the strings. They both of them are same. We can access them, we can print them, and we can use them anywhere else. But if we would like to modify the values of the pointer string pointer, it is not possible. But for this, yes, it is possible. And one more thing that we have to understand here the Q pointer is assigned with the address of a string. Here the address of C1 is assigned to this pointer. Now this acts like a character array. This acts like a string, means we can access and we can also modify the values. But if we directly assign like this, this is a pointer string pointer which acts like a string constant. Constant means which the values, we cannot change the values in that particular string. Okay, this is a string constant, and these acts like these values act like a character array. So let's try to execute this program and check what is the output that we are going to print here. Here we try to change the p of 3. P of 3 is a string pointer which is not possible. So we are not going to generate any errors. The compiler is not going to generate any errors, but this printf will not get executed. This printf will never get executed. If any lines are there below it, those lines will also not get executed. So from here it is going to behave, the compiler, the program is going to behave, and the behavior is undefined. The compiler's behavior is undefined. Okay, so the point that this is very important point to understand. The character arrays can be modified, but the string pointers cannot be modified. The pointers which are assigned to strings, the characters within those strings, within these kind of strings cannot be modified. They can be accessed, but we cannot modify it. We can print them, but we cannot modify them, and they act like a string constant. Let's try to execute that program and see how the output will be. So this is our program. So the same program, here we have taken p of 3 is equal to h. So let's check the output. So we are not going to. So here is the output. Here in the place of r, it has been changed to h, and this is c1 which has been assigned to character, which has been assigned to a pointer. It also acts like a character array, means string. Okay, but this one, this p pointer p, which is pointing to a string, it cannot be modified. So here we tried to modify, but the result is going to be undefined. So the next part of the program will not get executed. Okay, so this is all about arrays and strings and pointers. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.